Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks we will understand deform feature in the with point option. Also see the curve to curve option with fixed edges. In the previous exercise also I have made one video curve to curve option. In that I have used the uniform option. In this video I will use the point option and the curve to curve option with the fixed edges. Okay, let's start. File, new, part, this one. This is the SolidWorks user interface. I am selecting background plain white and unit system I am taking millimeter gram second. You can select any another as per your requirement. Okay. Now I am taking front plane. Front plane sketch. Okay. Now, first I am taking the point option. So for that I take the top plane. Later on I will use the curve to curve option. Okay. First I am taking point option in deform feature. Okay. Top plane I am make the sketch here. This side, this one, and this die I am taking 200 mm. 200 and future extrude boss base. This I am taking thickness I am taking only 5 mm. Okay, this one. Now I am selecting this face, sketch, normal here, normal, and I am drawing another circle here. This one. Okay. This dia I am making 150 mm only. 150 mm. And I am using a center line for direction purpose here. This one. This point as a point option I will use as a point and direction purpose. First I will make a fill pattern here. Only in this limited area, 150 mm circle. Okay. I will not make the fill pattern in the whole body. I will restrict my fill pattern within this 150 circle. Okay. Okay. How? Out of the sketch. First I am taking linear pattern, fill pattern. Fill pattern here. You select this sketch. This one. I will restrict my fill patterns in this sketch only. There are the different pattern layout. I have this is the first perforation, circular, this is the square, this one. I have made a separate video on the fill pattern. I am using this circular pattern, and this is the loop spacing. What is loop spacing? 10 mm I am taking the loop spacing. Okay, target spacing, this option. This is the instance spacing, this one. This is an instance spacing. And this is the margin. And direction is I am taking this one. This is the direction. You can reverse from here, and I am taking in the bottom section future and faces. I am taking create seed cut. In this option there is no need to make any future. Okay, I am selecting first option, this circle. This is the square. This is the diamond. This is the polygon. I am selecting this option, circle, and dia of the circle I am taking 5 mm only. Okay, this one. So this you fill pattern here. So you can see our fill pattern is restricted only in this sketch only, not full face. That's why I made this circle of 150 mm dia. So there are the pattern layout. You select any of the layout. I am selecting this circular layout, and this is the instances between the loop. First loop is this one, and second is this one. Third is loop. This distance is the loop spacing. One loop in the distance, the second loop in the third one, third is the fourth loop spacing, and this is the instance spacing. Any two consecutive spacing is 10 mm. This is the margin. What is mean of margin? Margin means at a distance of 5 mm from this sketch there will be no pattern here. Okay, it will be at a distance of more than 5 mm. Okay, this is the margin means. I have made a separate video on the fill pattern regarding all option. I have explained very clearly. You can reverse from the direction here. Okay, this one. You can reverse the direction from. I'm selecting the direction in seed cut. In this option, there is no need to make any feature. You can say there are different shapes are available in the system: square, circular, diamond, and this one. I'm selecting this dimension and hit the right button. This one. So this is the our fill pattern here. Okay. Now what I have made now I am using the deform feature. From where? Deform feature you can also select from here. Select command, put the deform and select, search it. It will take you the required destination. Okay, but I am taking here insert future, and here is the deform feature. This one I will use. This one I will use point option and curve to curve. Both option I will select. First I am taking point option. Okay, point is what? This one. I am taking the origin point. This one. This is origin. This one. This is the origin. I am selecting this point. And second is the direction. I am taking the top plane dimensions. This direction. Top plane I am taking, vertical direction I will take. You can also use this dimension. View temporary section, you can take also that. But I am taking top plane, and height of this I am taking 20 mm. This I am taking 20 mm dimension of this one. Okay, and region is 40 mm. This die is 150 mm, but I am taking 70 mm. It means deform will take place at a radius of 70 and get total 40 mm. Total at a 40 mm die deform will take place. This region means deform region is 70 mm. From center to 70 mm. This circle I have made 150. So at a distance of 70 mm, deform will take place, and deform height will be 20 mm. Top plane I have selected the direction. Direction you will see this is shown the above. One you will see above. You can reverse the direction here, but I will take this one. And body you select this one. This is body selected. Okay, and this is the shape option. There are three options. One is this one, stiffness, minimum, medium, maximum. I am taking this one, and this is I am taking the shape accuracy. Okay, and this, hit the right button. Okay, point option. Point I have selected, top plane for the direction purpose. 20 mm is the height of the deformation. Deform region is 70 at a distance of 70 mm. It means deform region will be of a dia of 140. Okay, this is the shape option, maximum stiffness, and this is the accuracy of this maximum, and hit the right button. This is the deformation take place. Deformation is taking place up to height of 20 mm and in the dia of 150 mm. Now further I will use the deform option. I insert future, this one, future, insert future and deform here, this one. This time I will use same point. I will same point. This is the origin and direction is same, top plane. Suppose you can use this dimension also. This view axis you will see. This one. Show. This is the dimension of the view axis. You can select also. You can select both the things. You can select here. This dimension, this axis you can select, and the top plane also you can select. Both, either of the two you can select for the direction purpose. You can show the view axis from here. This one. Okay, and 20 is the height. 20 is the height, or you can take 20 mm is the height. Deform region is this time I am taking. Deform region is only 40 mm. 40 mm I am taking this one. 40 mm body I am selecting this one. This is the body selecting maximum shape, and the accuracy I am taking maximum. Okay. The now deformation is taking place at a radius of 40 mm. Okay. But direction you will see I am taking the direction here. This both you can select. I am taking this time downward direction deformation. Okay, point option, point I have selected, axis I have selected. In earlier case, I had selected the top plane. You can select both of the things. Axis you can activate from here. Okay, height of the deformation is 20 mm, but this time I am taking downward deformation. Deform regionally at a distance of 40 mm. It means in the dia of 80 mm, deformation will take place. This is the shape option, this one, and accuracy. This is the shape, accuracy is up to maximum extent. Okay, hit the right button. This. It takes certain time because the calculation takes place, system calculates. Now this is you will see, you hide for this one, hide from here, axis hide. Okay, you will see this is the deformation. First deformation is the upward side, second deformation is the downward side. So in this way, as per requirement, you can make a complicated shape with the help of the deformation pattern. Okay, you can use the color here, and this one appearance, you can use this color. In this way, you can use the deformation option with deform feature with the help of the deform feature in the SolidWorks with the point option. Now I have in the previous exercise I had made one video the curve to curve option, but one point was left, that is the curve to curve option. I will use the fixed axis option. For that I make another model point, this one. This is I am selecting background, and unit system is the same, millimeter gram per second, and this time I am selecting the first front plane. I will make a simple model here. This one, I make this one. This construction line, I am taking this dimension, I am taking 125 mm. 125 mm. Okay, and this is the construction line. Then if you select if this is the construction line, this will show the dia. Dia I am taking 12 mm. This is dia. When you select 2 point, this must be a construction line to show that this dia dimension. You please note this thing. If this is the continuous line, then it will not show the dia. So this dia I am taking 12 mm, this is 8 mm, and distance is I am taking 125. Okay, I will use the revolve feature, this one. I will make a simple model. I will deform that model with curve to curve option. So future revolved boss space. This is the sketch is currently open. A non-thin feature requires a closed sketch. Would you like closed sketch automatically closed? Yes, I want to close it. Yes, this is this one. Okay, this is the, and now I am using the fillet for this one. This is the 8 mm. I am taking the fillet is the only 3 mm because, and hit the right continuous fillet. This I made. I am selecting the front plane, this one sketch, and normal, and I making I will add one small part here, this one. This is the construction line, and this die I am taking. Select this point and construction line, and if you go, this point and this line, and go beyond the construction line, then you will show that it will show the dia. If you below the dimension construction line, this will not show the dia. But this must be construction line. So if you go beyond the construction line, this will not show the dia. I am this taking 20 mm, and this I am taking also. This distance I am taking 20. I am taking arbitrary dimension for explaining purpose, future, and revolve boss space. Again, system is asking this, would you like the sketch to be atom? Yes, I am too. But one thing you please note, I will deform only this length, not this. So that purpose I am unmerging this thing. Close it. So this is separate body, this is separate body. Okay, you will see here there are two bodies. One is fillet and this is this one. But I will deform this part only according to one sketch as per my requirement. Okay, how I can do it? Front plane sketch. I am making the one sketch here. This. Okay, this is a sketch. I am making this sketch. Dimension is for 60 mm. This is 30 mm. This is 60. This is 30. This is 30. This one. Okay, and hit the right button and select fillet. This fillet I am taking 10 mm. Okay, hit right button. Now another fillet I will take 115 mm. This one, and hit the right button and cancel it. This is the sketch I have. This is the fully defined sketch. So I have created two bodies. One is this one, another this one. But I will deform only this length, this body only, this one. I will deform only this body, revolve it. This one, first one, refillet one. I will deform this model, only this part with as per this sketch. Okay, this sketch 30 mm length, this is 10 mm fillet, 15 mm, 60 mm length. Okay, this is the height of this one. How I will can do it? I will deform this one and sketch out of the sketch, and I will go for the deform, insert, future, and deform. This one, this deform. Now I will use the curve to curve option. Curve to curve and the fixed edges option. In the previous video, I have explained uniform section. In the previous video, I have explained curve to curve with uniform option. Now I will show the curve to curve option with fixed edges. How I will show you? This first sketch, first you select the previous sketch. From here you can select it. Right click, show. Select this sketch. Previous sketch you select the sketch, deform curves. First is the previous sketch, second is this sketch, this one, this is sketch, this is sketch, this one, and fixed edges option. Select the fixed edges option and select the body. Which body? This body. This body, shape option maximum and accuracy maximum here. This one, and option is the curve direction. This you also select, curve direction also you select this one, and hit the right button, this one. In this way you can deform. I have deformed as per this sketch. I have deformed this one. You can color it, appearance, and this one. You can hide it sketch, this hide, you can hide this also sketch, hide it, and this one. So in the previous video I have made a previous exercise, I have made also a curve to curve option with the uniform option. This I have explained both the things, point option and the curve to curve option with fixed edges. I hope you would have enjoyed this exercise. You please like, share, and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.